There it is, Route 24. We found the right bus stop, so we should be ready now.
Wait, look under the number. It says toward Riverside, but we need Central Station. If we get on here, we'll go the wrong way and lose a lot of time.
Oh, you're right. The number is correct, but the direction isn't. Which direction do we need?
We need the Central Station direction. My phone shows Central Station on the other side of this intersection, so this Riverside stop can't be right.
Let's check the route map on the sign, too. I don't want to trust only the bus number and end up farther from the station.
Here's Route 24 on the map. Riverside is this way, and Central Station is in the other direction.
So this stop is definitely wrong for us. The same Route 24 goes both ways, but this side takes us away from Central Station.
Yes, and look at the normal stop for the other direction. The map shows stop B across the intersection for Route 24 towards Central Station.
Good. Now we know where we normally need to wait. We can see stop B from here, so that part is clear.
Hold on. There's a yellow notice beside the route map, and it has Stop B in big letters.
I can read the next line. It says, Stop B closed today. There's also something here about a detour.
Then we can't just go across to Stop B. We know the right direction now, but we still need to find where Route 24 is stopping today.
Let's read the whole notice carefully. It may tell us where the bus moved during the detour.
Here it is. Route 24 towards Central Station uses temporary stop C. So the bus is still going to Central Station, but it isn't using stop B today.
That solves the biggest question. We don't need another route, and we don't need the Riverside side. We only need temporary stop C.
The notice also says stop C is about 60 meters from here. There's an arrow pointing along this corner, not across the street.
Where is the next stop? I can see another small bus sign near that street name, but I can't read all of it from here.
That must be stop C. The arrow points straight toward it, and the sign has a temporary notice at the top.
Yes, I can see the number 24 on it now. So the closed stop has been replaced by that temporary stop for today.
That's useful. A minute ago, we knew only that stop B was closed. Now we know exactly where Route 24 towards Central Station is leaving from.
I'll check my phone once more before we go over there. Maybe the map has changed and shows stop C too.
What does it say? Does it show the temporary stop?
No, that's strange. The phone still shows stop B and tells us to wait there, even though the street notice says stop B is closed.
Then we have two different pieces of information. Before we move, we need to decide which one is current, the normal phone map or the detour notice here.
The phone map probably shows the usual route. It has stop B in the normal place, and there's no message about today's detour.
Right. The posted notice is more specific. It says today, it says Route 24, and it clearly says Stop B is closed.
It also names temporary stop C. That matches the arrow we followed with our eyes and the temporary Route 24 sign we can see from here.
So the phone isn't completely wrong. Stop B is the normal Central Station stop, but it doesn't seem to have today's change.
That makes sense. If we follow the phone and wait at stop B, we may stand at a stop that isn't being used.
And if we stay here at this first stop, Route 24 will take us toward Riverside. Either mistake could cost us time and make us late.
Then there's one thing I want to confirm before we choose. Does this go toward Central Station, the temporary Stop C service?
According to the notice, yes. It says Route 24 towards Central Station, temporary Stop C. And the date is today.
Then I think the posted information is the one we should follow. It describes our exact route, our direction, and the temporary change.
I agree. We'll use temporary Stop C because the current notice specifically tells Central Station passengers to wait there today.
Good. We won't follow the phone to closed stop B. We've made the decision, so now we only need to check the sign at stop C itself.
It's still visible just along this corner. Let's go to that temporary sign and make sure it lists both Route 24 and Central Station.
Here we are at temporary stop C. The sign is much easier to read now, and Route 24 is listed right at the top.
I see it too. Under Route 24, it says toward Central Station, so this is the direction we need.
Does this go towards Central Station? Yes. The sign gives us a clear answer, and it matches the detour notice.
It also has the same temporary service message. That confirms this stop is being used because normal stop B is closed today.
So we're finally waiting in the correct place. We're not at the Riverside direction stop, and we're not standing at closed stop B.
Exactly. We've avoided going away from Central Station, and we won't lose time waiting at a stop that isn't active today.
Let me check the timetable here too. Route 24 is listed on this temporary stop, so everything now matches. The route number, the direction, and the current notice.
That's enough for me. We don't need to wait for the bus to know we solved the problem. This sign confirms we're in the right direction.
I see what confused me at first. I saw the big number 24 and stopped checking because I thought the number was all we needed.
Next time, we should check two things together: the bus number and the direction underneath it. That would have shown us immediately that Riverside was wrong for us.
And if there's a temporary notice, we should read it before we wait. The phone can still show the normal stop when something has changed for the day.
Yes, the street notice gave us the current information this time. We can still use the phone, but we should compare it with signs when they don't agree.
So I found the correct bus and the incorrect direction at exactly the same time. I suppose that makes me half right.
Half right is better than one bus ride in the wrong direction. Now we can wait here without wondering where Route 24 will take us.
Vocabulary, 5 items. Direction, the way that someone or something is going. Bus stop, a place where people wait for a bus. Toward, in the direction of a place or person. Detour, a temporary different route because the usual way cannot be used. Temporary, used or happening for a short time.